Now, the structure of the sentences in the present simple tense.
Continue.
Affirmative. If your sentence starts with I, we, you, they, the form of verb you use is go, play, cook, watch. Like I go to office at 9 o'clock. We play cricket on Sundays. You cook dinner every day. They watch TV in the evening. It gives fresh air. He or she gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. The one thing to remember here is with he, she, and it, the verb ends in s or es. For example, I want some help. She wants some help. My sister catches the morning bus. I catch the morning bus. Negative. In negative sentences, we use do not or don't and does not or doesn't. I don't eat chocolate. We don't play tennis in rain. You don't write. They don't know how to stitch. He or she does not cook. It does not work. We do not add s to the verb in the negatives. He does not play any game. Not does not plays. She doesn't cook. Not cooks. Questions. We do in the front. Do I look tired? Do we work? Do you watch TV a lot? Do they work in a college? Does she live near here? Does it rain a lot? The answer to this question is yes or no. WH questions. What do you do? Where do your parents live? How do they work? How do they go to work? Why do you look tired? Where does he live? What does she do in the evening? How does it work? What do we do? Now test your knowledge. Please check answers in the description of the video. Thank you.